Wait, can we?
I am trying to sniff your butt.
Okay, here you go. I'm gonna sniff you after. Can you drop a beat, please? Milky, come here. Put your snoot against my snoot.
Oh,
Kinda.
Oh, that's so cute.
So cute.
Because of Milky's open mouth, it looks like she's trying to devour Auteru. I'm actually just trying to eat the other goose.
What if I'm into that?
What?
Now we need to get
Nice.
him wet.
Look at this pumpkin. Oh my god, look at this pumpkin. Look at this pecking pumpkin.
Ah, we got you wet. We got you wet.
Yeah! They do? Okay. Look at me!
Yes! Okay, he's looking for his sun hat. He's looking for his sun hat.
Excellent. There we go.
Look at him,
right?
look at him.
So we gotta be careful and time our honks, okay? So not yet.
Okay.
Heck yeah! Let's
Thanks,
go.
dude. Can I go in, please?
Excuse me, sir. Can you please give me your plane? He looks genuinely terrified. I feel a bit bad for him.
No, don't feel bad for him. He's a child. Hey, boy, do you like pink glasses? Good boy.
Can you see with those?
Can you walk
think I did.
again? Oh, we're on TV!
Woo, look at us, we're famous! We're famous! Mom, look at me, Mom!
Whoop! Well,
I mean, we got trapped too. Does that count?
yes, but what do we do now?
Alright. Is he thinking about having some tea?
He's gonna take his pipe. He has his tea cup? Come on. Yeah, do it! Nice!
Yay!
Alright.
Yes!
The duck is outside.
Excellent. And now I can position myself.
She's a very cute goose, trust me.
Very cute, very cute.
Oh, what the heck?
Why? Why don't you like me? It is very
We'll
annoying.
be stuck for hours in it.
Oh, look at this quaint little... Mail? They
From
don't need
who?
that.
Oh.
What's this van where people take packages?
Oh.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh boy. Hey, it's the Goose Delivery Service.
Goose delivery! Yeah, totally legit box. Nothing sus about
No,
this.
no.
Nothing sus at all.
I'm with them.
Excellent. Go! Wee. That was definitely the right idea, though.
Yeah.
Why is he looking at us? Stop looking at us.
Oh, come on.
Oh, no! So close!
1 hour later.
Do it. Yes! Yes!
Do you know about model villages?
No.
They're like quite a big thing in kind of like rural places in the UK. It's like little mini models of different places.
Wait, I saw it. I think I saw one in Legoland and one in London.
Yeah, Legoland has one. Yeah, that kind of thing. But
Pick. Keep picking.
yeah, pull it.
Come on. Harder, Milky. Oh.
Oh. Whoa.
Got it.
Go. 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 Run.
Running. Okay.
He can't
We
go
did
any
it.
further.
I can't throw it.
You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you.
Oh my god. Oh my heckin'. Thank you for playing, Milky.
No, thank you.